Hello friends, how are you? I hope everybody is doing great. So आज का जो वीडियो है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है, स्पेशली इफ़ यू आर एन इंडियन ट्रेडर। उसका रीज़न ये है कि अगर आप इंडियन मार्केट्स ट्रेड करते हैं, ओके, एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू बिल्ड broader market picture, okay, then the charts that I'm going to show you today are going to be very important, okay. And basically I am planning to do this series जिसमें मैं वीकली एटलीस्ट आपको इन चार्ट्स का एनालिसिस करके बताऊंगा, so that two things will happen. One, it will bring discipline to my trading routine so that I have to post videos regularly. Secondly, it will be very helpful for you guys who want to build a broader picture of the market. Like I told you, and what I believe truly is that if you are seeing the charts thoroughly and regularly, they tell you every story, whether you are following news or not. Okay. Without any delay, let's jump into the charts. बेसिकली मैंने यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी एक वॉच लिस्ट क्रिएट कर दी है फॉर ऑल द चार्ट्स दैट वी वांटेड टू सी फॉर टुडेज एनालिसिस, ओके. बट बिफोर आई डाइव इनटू द चार्ट्स, वन डिस्क्लेमर, it's not any recommendation to trade or anything. It's just my analysis, my point of view, okay. And just keep in mind, all this analysis, as you can see, the time frame of the chart is weekly, and this is on a weekly basis because we want to bring make a slightly a long term perspective of the markets, okay. So it's not any short term trading recommendation. Okay, so let's dive in. So first chart that we are going to see will be Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is US broader index, okay. Okay, this is the chart for Dow Jones Industrial Average. Dow Jones is making lower peaks, okay. So this is clearly in a bearish trend, and also it has broken these two key supports, okay. And as you can see, the candle also shows some rejection from these supports. So basically the picture doesn't look so good, and this is clearly in a bearish trend. And now the next key support what I see is around 26,700, okay. So yeah, if the bearishness continues, it can fall till 26,700. Let's move on to S&P 500. Again, here also it's kind of a same story. It is trending below all the moving averages. Peaks are lower, and it has also broken a key support. However, for S&P, I see the next support at around 33, 70, 75 levels. So there is some more scope for S&P 500 to go down. Moving on to Nasdaq. Okay, so again same story here, lower peaks, bearish trend, trading below all the moving averages. However, for Nasdaq, the key support level can be around 10,900. So it's currently at a support level. It might give a pullback. However, we'll have to wait and watch. If it breaks this level of 10,900, then it can further fall till 9,500 or 9,600 levels, okay. So that's the story on US market indices. Currently the picture looks bearish across various indices. Now the next important chart is USD Inr. I think this is the most crucial chart that Indian market participants or traders should watch for. As you can see, dollar broke the key support or the key resistance level of 18 and since then it has been in an uptrend, and it's currently trading in an all-time high range of 82.81. So जब भी डॉलर बेसिकली बढ़ता है, so it's not good for Indian equity markets, as the foreign investors pull out their money from Indian equity markets, and we see some bearishness. Okay, so this is not a good sign for Indian markets. The another important chart that we should focus on is Brent oil. Okay, because we are net importers of oil and it impacts our economy to a large extent. Like here you can see, right? So crude basically peaked out in February and May, and since then it has been in a downtrend, which has helped Indian markets. However, now we can see that the crude is starting to show signs of some bullishness, as you can see with this long bullish candle, which has taken place at a key support level. So if this is not a pullback and crude goes beyond 102, which is the next key resistance, I think we are in some more trouble. Okay. Another interesting chart which we should watch for is gold. Okay. So here you can see that gold was trapped in a range of 53,000 to somewhere 49,000 since February. Okay, now suddenly it is showing a sign of bullishness, and it is now trading near its top end of the range. So basically gold थोड़ा सा bullish लग रहा है Indian markets में, and what signs it gives us is that गोल्ड को बेसिकली एक थोड़ा सा सेफ एसेट कंसिडर किया जाता है एज कम्पेयर टू इक्विटी. सो जब भी गोल्ड में बुलिशनेस होती है, सो बेसिकली पीपल आर मूविंग आउट देयर मनी फ्रॉम इक्विटी एंड पुटिंग इट इनटू गोल्ड. ओके, सो इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर इक्विटी मार्केट्स. ओके, in general. Okay, so see all these pictures which we see, all these if you connect the dots, see US is showing signs of bearishness, dollar is not looking good, oil is not looking good, gold is showing bullishness. So all these signs are negative for Indian equity markets. However, if you go to the chart of Nifty, suddenly you see a different picture. Okay, we don't see that much of a drop in Nifty. In fact, if you look at Nifty, I have drawn this long-term channel in which Nifty was trading since October 2021. If you see, it has been trading in this channel only. Okay, however, now it is out of that channel, and if you look at the last 2 weeks, it has given rejection from that channel only. Okay, which is a good sign. Okay, so if you see this rejection from the channel and then a bullish candle. Okay, so basically the picture here doesn't look that bearish. However, from Nifty per se, or from our market's perspective, two charts we should really focus on is US dollar, USD INR, and oil. Okay, if they are not showing any sign of calming down, then we can be in a little bit of a trouble. So if until unless Nifty is going back into this channel, I don't see much panic in the market. However, if it goes into the channel, we may see some panic and panic selling. Okay, so as of now, Nifty may, I don't see any particular trend. Okay, we'll have to wait until any trend emerges. Basically, okay. Also, another interesting point here is that if you look at India VIX chart, okay, it is hovering in the range of 18 to 19 dollars only. Sorry, it is hovering in the range of 18 to 19. Okay, which is not showing any sign of panic in our Indian markets. Okay, however, if this starts trading above 20, 21, 23, right, then we may have some concerns. Okay, so Monday we might see a gap down and this VIX can jump, but until unless it is sustaining for a week over 22, I don't think so we have much of a panic as of now. Okay, so yeah, so to cut long story short, right, so globally we are getting signs of bearishness, obviously, and however our Indian markets have held quite nicely, and there is no clear trend in Nifty as such. Okay, so my suggestion would be, as of now, wait for a trend to emerge in Nifty, and then take your positions. If you want to trade right now, just do it with small position only. Don't take any aggressive positions as of now until a clear trend emerges. Okay. तो जैसा कि आपने देखा, हर चार्ट कुछ कहता है, ओके, एंड जो स्टोरी अभी बिल्ड हो रही है, वी कैन सी दैट द global indices are showing bearishness. All the other charts, whether it is USD INR, gold or oil, it is not showing a good sign for Indian equity markets. However, looking at the Nifty 50, which is our index of top 50 companies, that is still not shown that sign of bearishness. Okay, so what I would suggest is keep a very close eye on USD INR and oil. जब वो कूल ऑफ होना स्टार्ट होंगे, then Nifty will try to show us a clear trend. Currently Nifty में कोई ट्रेंड नहीं दिख रहा है, neither it is bearish, neither it is bullish. तो बहुत टाइम तक maybe it may react to news. तो the suggestion और my view would be, अभी जब तक clear trend emerge नहीं होता है, trade in smaller quantities, smaller position size, just to be in the market. However, as soon as the clear trend emerges, we'll build on aggressive position according to the trend. Okay, so that's it for this week. So if you really like the content, please encourage, like and subscribe the channel. It will help me grow. It will help me bring you good analysis, and it will hopefully it will help you. So thank you very much. See you again next week.